the Chevrolet Corvette ZR1, a name that has long been synonymous with raw power and exhilarating performance. First introduced in 1970, the ZR1 moniker has graced only a select few Corvettes, each one pushing the boundaries of what a sports car could be. Now, in 2025, the legend is reborn with the arrival of the C8 Corvette ZR1. This is not just another Corvette. It is a statement, a declaration that Chevrolet is ready to reclaim its place at the very pinnacle of the automotive world. The 2025 ZR1 carries the torch passed down from its predecessors, but it blazes a new trail with cutting-edge technology and a design that pays homage to the Corvette's illustrious past. This is a car that demands attention, it's a car that commands respect, and it's a car that promises an unforgettable driving experience. At the heart of the 2025 Corvette ZR1 lies a beast of an engine, a 5.5-litre twin-turbocharged V8 codenamed LT7 that unleashes a staggering 1,064 horsepower. This makes it the most potent engine ever fitted to a production Corvette, surpassing even the mighty 755 horsepower supercharged V8 found in the previous generation C7 ZR1. But the ZR1's performance is not solely defined by raw power. It's about how that power is delivered. And in this regard, the ZR1 excels. The engine's torque curve is incredibly flat, meaning that maximum pulling power is available across a wide range of engine speeds. This translates to breathtaking acceleration, with Chevrolet claiming a 0 to 60 miles per hour time of under 2.5 seconds. The 2025 Corvette ZR1 is a testament to Chevrolet's engineering prowess. The car is a showcase of advanced technologies, all working in harmony to create an unparalleled driving experience. One of the key innovations is the ZR1's first ever factory turbocharged setup for a Corvette. This allows for incredible power output while maintaining surprising efficiency. The ZR1's chassis is equally impressive. It's been meticulously engineered to handle the immense power and torque generated by the engine. Lightweight materials such as aluminum and carbon fiber are used extensively throughout the car's construction, helping to keep weight to a minimum. This results in a car that is incredibly agile and responsive, capable of tackling even the most challenging roads with ease. Section 4. Form and function, aerodynamics and design inspired by heritage. The 2025 Corvette ZR1 is a car that is as beautiful as it is powerful. Its design is a masterclass in automotive styling, seamlessly blending aggressive lines with classic Corvette cues. One of the most striking features is the return of the split rear window, a design element that first appeared on the iconic 1963 Corvette Stingray. But the ZR1's design is not just about aesthetics. Every curve, every crease, every vent has a purpose. The car's aerodynamics have been painstakingly honed to cheat the wind and keep it glued to the road. A massive rear wing provides significant downforce, while a front splitter and side skirts help to channel air around the car, further enhancing stability at high speeds. Section 5. Price and performance. Positioning the ZR1 against the competition. The 2025 Chevrolet Corvette ZR1 enters a fiercely competitive arena, going head-to-head with established supercar royalty. Priced starting at $180,000, the ZR1 undercuts rivals like the Ferrari F8 Tributo and the Lamborghini Huracán Evo by a significant margin, yet it surpasses them in terms of sheer power output. This aggressive pricing strategy, combined with the ZR1's undeniable performance credentials, makes it a compelling proposition for enthusiasts seeking maximum bang for their buck. It's a car that can hold its own against the best in the world, both on the road and on the track. Section 6. The legend continues, availability and the future of the ZR1. The 2025 Chevrolet Corvette ZR1 is poised to make a significant impact on the automotive landscape. Production is slated to begin in late 2025, with the first deliveries expected in early 2026. Demand is anticipated to be high, and interested buyers are advised to contact their Chevrolet dealerships early to secure their place in line. The ZR1 marks a new chapter in the Corvette's storied history. It's a car that embodies the spirit of innovation and performance that has defined the Corvette for generations. and it's a car that will undoubtedly inspire a new generation of enthusiasts. The future of the Corvette is bright, and the ZR1 is leading the charge.